Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to make some TikTok recipes. The first one will be a Nutella Twist, the second one will be a chocolate mousse, and the last one will be a caramel sponge cake. Let me know in the comment section below if you want to see me make more of these TikTok videos. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.
Let's start off by watching the TikTok video. I removed the sound for copyright reasons. So first is the Nutella Twist, which is puff pastry, with Nutella spread on half of the puff pastry. Fold the other half over. I used a pizza cutter, but you can use a knife if you want. Once the dough is cut into strips, twist the strips. This can get a little messy. Place the twist onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Beat a single egg and brush the egg onto the dough. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes or until the dough is puffed and golden. Dust with some icing sugar. And enjoy! Next is the chocolate mousse. Again, I removed the sound for copyright reasons. In a bowl, add in 150 grams of marshmallows, 200 grams chocolate, add 30 ml of cocoa powder to 80 ml of hot water. And with a whisk, I use my mini whisk, mix until well combined. Add the cocoa mixture to the bowl and mix to combine. Then microwave in 30-minute intervals until the mixture is smooth. Set this mixture aside to cool down. In a bowl with 1 can of evaporated milk, whisk until light and fluffy. Add the evaporated milk to the cooled chocolate mixture. And fold the evaporated mixture in. Spoon the mixture into individual bowls. Or fill a large bowl. Place in the fridge for an hour to set up. Whip some cream and add a few dollops of cream onto the top of each individual chocolate mousse. I added a few speckled eggs. It's a candy here in South Africa. And enjoy some silky smooth chocolate mousse. Lastly is the caramel cake, and again the sound has been removed for copyright reasons. In a bowl, mix 1 cup of flour, 1.5 teaspoons baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix and set aside. In a bowl, add in 1 cup of butter and mix until smooth. Then add in 1 cup of caster sugar and mix until light and fluffy. Add in 2 eggs, one at a time, making sure before adding in the next egg that the previous egg is well combined. Add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and mix until smooth. Add the dry ingredients in 2 batches. And add in 1/2 cup of milk. Continue mixing until a smooth batter forms. Spoon the batter into a prepared baking tin and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Mine baked for 25 minutes, so keep an eye on your cake and test with a toothpick to see if it's ready. Allow the cake to cool completely, add some caramel on top and spread out. Grate some white and some milk chocolate and scatter that on top. Cut into the cake and enjoy! The names of the TikTokers as well as the recipes will be linked in my description.